In this video, we are going to discussing another argument about the existence of God. And this argument is totally philosophical argument, logical and rational argument. There is no religiosity in this argument that atheist person labeled as that this argument is a religious argument. That's why I explain this argument is totally philosophical argument, rational and logical argument. Look at the argument. There is two things, entity and quality. Entity mean maruzat, something being, zat, and quality mean arz, sifat. And this is quality and this is entity. Without entity, quality, the quality without entity cannot exist. This is a phenomena. Like, look, creation, look, knowledge is a quality, is attribution. And there is no existence of knowledge without scholar, without entity, without ma'ruz, mawsuf. Likewise, good, bad is a qualities. Without entity, good and bad cannot exist. Power, qudrat, is a quality, cannot exist without any entity. Likewise, creation is an entity. This universe is created. This is a recognized theory among the today's scientists. This universe began with the Big Bang. This universe has a beginning point. This universe is a creation. This is a recognized theory. If this universe is a creation, is a sifat, is a quality, is an attribution, without any entity, this creation cannot exist, and that entity is creator of this universe, and that creator is Allah Almighty God, everlasting, eternal, no end, Al-Hayy Al-Qayyum. We are discussing about another feature of this argument. When we ask an atheist, who is the creator of this universe? They say nature. What is the nature? Define the nature. What is the nature? What is the nature? Qudra. Is a wasf, is a quality. Qudrat is a quality. Nature is a quality. A quality cannot exist without any entity. That's why this creation, this nature have an entity, and that entity is Almighty Allah. This is a total philosophical doctrine. We try to understand that it is a recognized theory. There is no space. According to this philosophical doctrine, there is no room to deny Almighty Allah.